Good afternoon. It's February the 26th, 2018, and we're going to talk to you about market profile nuances. And when you take a look at this screen right here, this one is pretty unnuanced when you get right down to it. We came into today's market wanting to be long. This is the Globex session right here. This starts on Friday afternoon. Here we have Globex right as in here. Here we have the London break, and you can see it's nothing but P's. That's why we wanted to be long. A P doesn't guarantee you higher prices. It does guarantee a retest of resistance in the case of the P and or higher prices. All day long we wanted to be long. We came in and we wanted to be buyers at 55 to 53, which was this area right here, picking up the bottom of value. That's where our buy area was. That was our buy one. We'd picked up off the map right here that we wanted to be short in the 64 to 69 area, and that produced a winning trade up here. But all day long we wanted to be long. Why do we want to be long? P. Here we get a move out of the middle, which we call moms. P. Mom. P. And here was the rally into the close. So if you let the profile work for you, if you just know how to split profiles and where to split them, if you follow the guidance of the profile and you're buying into weakness when there's a P or selling into strength when there's a B, you're going to do just fine. Join us and find out more on how to split these distributions, how to change the time frame when it's appropriate, how to make the profile work for you. We're going to give new visitors 5 free days in the main trading room. We trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, 10-year on E. Many of those 5 free days you get to see me, the software, methodology work live, real time. You'll get all the answers you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.